fly drone. There we go. Spin it around 360, go forward. All right, this is the Pterodactyl drone, and this is the controller, and this is the Ice Age. But first, before you see it fly, check out the unboxing. The good people at Banggood sent me this here FQ777 Pterodactyl Prehistoric Drone with a hand-operated flight mode. And if I flip it over on the back to look at the back of the box, you can see here it comes in red and blue. All right, let's quickly open the box and check out what's inside. Now, when you open up the box, the insides are really well presented. Check out, here's the drone itself, a little bit of plastic on top. There's the hand controller. Really neat looking. And even on the inside cover of the box, they have some writing, Ye Lentry, wearable intelligent remote control. Very nicely displayed in this box. First off in the box, you have the actual drone, the Pterodactyl. Taking a closer look at the Pterodactyl drone, we see here the props are really flexible. The ends, I noticed they're very soft, which is great if it bangs into anything. Perfect. It's very hard to break these type of props. There's its head, looks pretty cool. Flipping it around, there's the camera right there, the 720p camera. That's the antenna to send out the video signal. Let's take a quick look inside to check out the battery. It is a 3.7 volt and 650 milliamp. That is a 1-cell battery, and that means that it should fly for at least 6 or 7 minutes. And this connector here, you just connect it to the included USB charger. You also have the hand remote controller right here that you put your hand in, and you press the little buttons here to make it turn left or right. And looking underneath the box, what do we have? Instructions. And if I flip over the plastic here, what else do we have? We have the USB charger, and we have prop guards and a tool plus extra set of props. You'll note that the extra props that come in the kit are actually the blue colored one, the blue purplish colored ones, and even the prop guards are the blue purplish colored ones. On this side we have the holder for your cell phone. Here we have the cell phone holder with an actual cell phone in it, so you'd actually hold this in your left hand and you would fly with the controller here in your right hand so that your thumb can touch the buttons. You probably could reverse it and use the other hands. I think you just spin this around and everything would work. Right, I'm going to charge this up, put batteries in here, and we'll take it for a flight. Fly drone. There we go. Kind of love it when you can hand toss. Now if I want to raise this Pterodactyl up, I just hit this button, way up. And if I want to go forward, I just put my wrist down like this, she'll go forward. If I want to bring it back, pull back. And if I want to go right, see I'm on the right, left. Now if I want to spin it around 360, go forward, I just hit with my thumb, the right one. Spinning it around, go the other direction. Now apparently, I'm going to bring it close here. Apparently if I hit both of these buttons at the same time, it will flip in the direction I cause it to. So let's just bring it back to me. So let's go holding it up. I'm hitting both. Whoa! Works like a charm. Isn't that the coolest looking thing? Here it comes. It's so scary looking. I'm bringing it so it's going to fly over me. There we go. Whoa! I just realized when I was flying this outside, I did not turn on the camera, so you can't see the quality of the camera. So what I'm going to do now is turn it on and fly it indoors. Let's just power it on. Got the lights flashing, ready to go. Connect it to the controller. Alright, I have the drone up there and I have the app connected, so the video is going to my phone and I'll just record it and see what it looks like. So the drone is down there, I just hit the power button, take off. And now let's bring it up. There we go. Bring it up even higher. There we go. Now it's at eye level. And how's the camera look? It's supposed to be a 720p camera, so the quality should be not too bad. It should be your average camera view. Alright. So that's flying it indoors. You can see it's very easy. It's very responsive. To right, left, forward. Very easy to fly. Bring it back. Don't let it go too crazy. And if you want to bring it down, there's a second button here. You just press that. And there we go. We're down on the ground. Alright, check the link below in the description where you can buy this drone on Banggood, and I believe there are some coupons or some discounts, so apply those and this drone will cost you very little. Check it out. So, final thoughts on this drone? Well, the cool factor is pretty high on this because it does look very different from any other drone, and if you showed up at some field flying this thing, you're going to attract a lot of attention. So, really nice drone. Really well made, actually. Simple to fly indoors and outdoors. I highly recommend this drone if you're looking for something different. Right, so thanks for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.